Hey guys, here is a quick video. I just wanted to share with everyone when you are setting up specifically to do operations with the CNC router and you're coming in to do the programming for different cuts and you manually placing these things in. In this particular instance, I'm using the tramming router bit or the surfacing bit to come in and level or skim this wasteboard. In which instance, you set your tool diameter, your overall pass depth, right, and the total depth that you want to pass to. Just like with any other CNC router, if you're going to go down a maximum of, let's say, 3 millimeters, but you only want to go 1.5 millimeters deep, you'd set it up your depth of pass, your overall pass, and then your step over. The important thing here is that you must load the file. If you do not load the file, what you'll find is that you will not be able to get through operations. Very, very important to know. So once you've loaded your file, you can come in here to where it says 3D, and then you will actually see your file toolpath as you have programmed it. So very, very important. If you are struggling to do or you're showing a customer this operation, then just be aware of that, specifically on the CNC side. But pop in tomorrow, I'll show you guys how it works.